Forget LLM memory. Here's why LLMs may need a forgettery. Traditionally, large language models depend on a vast memory to learn and grow linguistically. But what if strategically forgetting is the key to their evolution? Meet Mikel Artexta, the AI pioneer researching the effects of adaptive forgetting, a method where models periodically discard data to welcome new training. Artexta's method focuses on selectively erasing the embedding layer, the core of language understanding within LLMs. By doing this, learning models can forget in order to make room for new linguistic tokens. This facilitates more efficient and targeted retraining without having to start from scratch. Here's the kicker. Adaptive forgetting fine-tunes LLMs to learn new languages with minimal performance drops, measuring only a 1-point decrease from 86.1 to 85.1 in accuracy scores. And when trained with smaller datasets, these LLMs maintain a higher accuracy of 62.7 compared to 53.3 in standard models. This technique opens up the AI landscape to more effective training in underrepresented languages like Basque or Quechua. Communities will get more equitable access to AI resources that can understand and interact in their native languages. But it's more than just language learning. Adaptive forgetting in AI mirrors the natural cognitive process of selective retention in the human brain. This heralds new potentials for intuitive and dynamic AI systems better equipped to handle the subtleties of human languages. Stay tuned for more technology insights as we navigate the latest research in machine learning and artificial intelligence.